Greetings and all that good stuff. It's your favorite repairman again, and another episode of Fix It with Izzy. Alright, so what we have today is we have a Whirlpool dishwasher that is not draining. Well, what we're going to do, as you can see, we do have some water down here on the bottom, but I've been wanting to do a video on this for so long. Alright, now, if you ever replace your garbage disposal, kind of like what we have here, brand new disposal, there's one thing that 99% of you people out there don't do, and I can guarantee you this is the issue that we got going on here. I'm so certain of it that it's just one of those things after you've been doing it long enough, you figure it out real quick. All right, so what we're going to do is let's grab our handy dandy light here. There we go. Now, right up there, that is your dishwasher connector. And what a lot of people don't realize is back in that little section right there, there's a little piece that if you don't knock it out, you're not going to drain. So what you want to do is, first off, go ahead, let's get on here, get it unscrewed, slide that out of the way. Now, get your hose out, up, air gap just dropped down. That's okay. Have you a towel handy, because you're going to probably have some stuff that's, yep, I'm going to drain that out. And now, what you're left with is an opening right there. Now, you take a regular nut driver, screwdriver, everything up. Wait a minute. If you look, that's where it stops, right about there. So I promise you, if we have a little peek up in there, we're going to take a little, and you can actually probably, I'm going to try to get a good shot of it. All right, you see a little bit in there? That's your problem. Just need to knock that out, and everything's going to drain beautifully. So I'm going to go ahead and get this knocked out, and then I'll get back to you on the flip side. All right, so what you do is put something in there, tap it a couple times. And now, as you see, it goes straight through, no problem. That means we breach the other side, everything is good. This machine will drain. All right, now for the fun part. We've already got put back together down there. Now we have to reach down in there to pull the plug. So I was editing, I'll get my words right here in a second. I was editing the video and realized I need to make a disclaimer about this particular point in the video. Now, I would say use some common sense, but we know how some people are. So this is why I'm putting this disclaimer out here. If you have your hand in the garbage disposal, do not under any circumstances turn that switch on. I don't care who it is. Definitely don't make your spouse upset or anything else that she might come over or he might come over and flip that switch depending on who you are. But, you know, just don't do it, because that's cut the power to the disposal before you reach your hand in some way, shape, form, or fashion. If that means putting a piece of tape over the top of it, do it. Be safe out there. Let's not be stupid. And, you know, it's a good thing. You know, we just go ahead, get it all taken care of, because you're going to find a little plastic piece, I guarantee you. But do not have any power going to the disposal, period. I don't want to see you guys losing fingers and stuff. Anyhow, on to the video. Okay, so after a little bit of fishing, that's our piece that I pulled out of there that caused everything to do what it does. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead, set this on like a 1-hour wash, hit the old start button. We're going to let it run for a second, and then we're going to let it drain. But, remember, that's part of that drain cycle. The cycle itself is where the draining. So, this is a good thing. Our problem is solved. So, if you like this video and everything goes along with it, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Hit the little bell notification to let you know every time I put a video out. And if this video actually helped you out and all that kind of good stuff, you can show some love on the old Cash App. I got my link in my bio. Just hit on that and everything will be all good. Yay! All right, with that being said, this wraps up another edition of Fix It with Izzy. Hope this helps you out. See you on the next one.